welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tika, aka Hippie Skippy, and today I'm coming to you guys with a brand new foundation review. You guys, I'm so excited because this is a flower infused foundation, and you guys know that I'm vegetarian, on the verge of vegan, and you guys know how I am. So yes, I'm super excited about this foundation, you guys. All right, so the foundation is organs. Before we even get started, I want to make a disclosure. This product was sent to me for review purposes from influencers, and it did come in this box. Isn't this box like the packaging? First of all, y'all, let's check out the packaging. The packaging is to die for. Like, look at this. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited to try this foundation. So this is the Pretty in Bloom foundation. This is one of probably their newest foundation. This is a flower infused long wear foundation with the SPF of 20. So I'm pretty hyped to see how this foundation is going to work and it's going to turn out. So we're gonna go ahead and open our box. You guys, first of all, the packaging of this box is beautiful. Like, it makes my heart smile. Packaging is so beautiful. So in my box, it does come with a brochure. So it does have warm, neutral, or cool. We have your shade cover. To my knowledge, this foundation has about 30 plus. Let's make sure. Yep. It has 30 skin caring shades, which is pretty dope because most of the foundation companies that I know of, they have like around 15 to 20 shades. I have a warm undertone, so I'm pretty excited to try this foundation. And if you guys needed like a little guide, you guys can pause the video because I'm going to show you all of the colors that they have. That is all of them. Look at this. They have deep tones from 740, and that's amazing because a lot of companies I know, they don't even have that many shades that go that dark into complexion. Let's be honest, y'all, it's almost 2020. So what it says here is made with nourishing blend of 12 flowers. Our skin caring formula is everything you want in a foundation. Instant radiance, natural looking finish, lightweight coverage, 24-hour wear, and all-day hydration that keeps skin feeling petal smooth all day. Ooh, y'all, I am excited. Let's go ahead and get started. I feel like I done read enough. So this is the packaging of it. Really, let me try to get my phone to focus. This is really pretty packaging. It does have like a flower on it. Yes, I'm so excited, you guys. So the color that I have is 700 and it's in very deep neutral. So I'm pretty excited to see how this color is going to blend in with my skin tone. So let's go ahead and review this bad buddy. So as you guys can see, I already have my eye makeup done, I already have my lashes, and I already have my bold eyeshadow done. I saved my foundation for this video. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Alright, you guys, so I already put my primer on and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this blends out with my skin tone. First swipe, ooh, blend this on down. You guys see how that is blending into my skin? Ooh, this is so pretty. Ooh, and I feel that hydration. You guys know that we are in fall weather, which is dry weather when it comes to skin. Ooh, you guys, look at that finish. Another thing that I really love about this foundation is that a little goes a long way. So I only dabbed a little bit on my hand. But you guys, we have to see how it looks with the full face. And like I said before, this is a This is a 24-hour wear foundation. Y'all, peep that blend. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let me zoom in. Ooh. I like this a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face because I want to see how the finish is gonna look after I add my setting powder and my highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm hyped at the fact that I'm not having any problems blending out my concealer, because usually with full coverage concealers, with full coverage foundations, they're usually very, very thick. But this foundation really isn't too thick where it's overwhelming. You guys see that finish? I haven't even added my setting powder yet, and it already looks flawless. So now I'm going in with my Dermablend setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add my highlight and my my blush. Alright guys, I know this is an eyeshadow palette, but I'm very universal. So I'm gonna use my Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here, that one, and I'm gonna use it as a blush. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go in with this color in my James Charles palette, this little glitter color, and I'm gonna use that as my highlight. Yes, I do have highlighters, but they just work better than my regular highlighters, so I just use the eyeshadows. I'm gonna take my Sheer Coincidence spray in nude rose. This is crystal infused. It has crystals such as rose quartz, amethyst, tiger eye, clear quartz. It has a few of them in here, red jasper. And I'm gonna use this to set my face. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to zoom in just a little bit so you guys can see up close how good this looks. Excuse my hair, you know, big hair don't care. Ooh, this is so pretty. The finish is very, very pretty. So far so good. I really do like this foundation a lot. It's very, very pretty. And you guys, this foundation, it blended out to my skin to perfection. And for the people of my skin tone who are wondering one more time what color this is that I am using, this is 700 Very Deep. And here's the packaging one more time. This is beautiful packaging. Not only is it beautiful packaging, but this is just a beautiful, wonderful product. So far, I really do like the foundation. We're gonna see how it goes throughout the day, and I will give you guys an update at the end of this video. But yes, you guys, that's all that I have for you for today. Wait, one more thing. You guys, look at this box. This box is so beautiful. It does say please recycle, and I love that. Like, I'm very eco-friendly. I love anything dealing with natural stuff, you know, all that fun stuff. For my other influencers who also, you know, do reviews for influencers, what other ways do you guys use your boxes? Because I just keep my boxes, but I have no idea like what to do with them. So if you do also review for influencers or anyone from influencers, what else or what other ways do you guys use your boxes? Like, I would love to know, because mine, they just sit in my room because they're so pretty and I really can't throw them away. But yes, I would love to know what you guys do with your boxes. But yes, you guys, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this unboxing. I'm gonna say it one more time. This foundation was sent to me for reviewing purposes from influencers, and yeah, I love it so far. This is probably gonna be my new favorite foundation. I'm pretty excited about it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have tried this foundation, please leave me a comment. If you guys are interested in this foundation, please leave me a comment. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would love you guys' support from my channel. And thank you guys so much. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.